Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro dollar did end up drifting down again today. It actually ended up making a pretty nice three-way pullback in hindsight. Really nice three-way pullback. Nice little three-way pullback up here too, by the way, and which is exactly what we're looking for. Now, the fact that this right here is actually more of a three-way pattern up to me is kind of a red flag. So we potentially have three waves down, three waves up, higher high, higher high. That means there is definitely a possibility that this is an A, this is a B, and then it goes out and makes a C. If that's the case, it potentially could go down to like the 161, 178% Fibonacci extension, which would be an expanding flat, and then possibly end up turning up and continuing the uptrend. Now, it definitely does look like this on the 1 hour time frame, but we definitely want to see a reaction at a Fibonacci level to believe it. Because the problem is, if we go up to the daily, it looks more like on the daily it's going to end up doing something like this. And I always do end up trusting the daily time frame more. Maybe not that big of a correction, but maybe something like this perhaps is going to be pretty likely on the daily time frame. So we definitely want to keep an eye out for this expanding flat possibility. Watch your Fibonacci levels for the appropriate running flat and expanding flat Fibonacci levels. If it does react to one of those levels, turn up impulsively, then I definitely would take it as a long. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.